If you're looking for a duplex in Salisbury, your new home is on Tappan Lane in Sleepy Hollow. Let's take a look. This home has been extensively remodeled and updated, has hardwood floors in many areas, new lighting fixtures throughout. Beyond the formal dining room, there's a single car garage and full laundry. Kitchen with white shaker cabinets, stainless appliances, gas range, granite countertops, and custom tile backsplash. Spacious owner suite with large walk-in closet, updated owner's bath with custom shower and glass doors. Open concept living area, an inviting sunroom, perfect for relaxation or entertaining, gas fireplace, fenced rear yard, pond views, and an open deck. Secondary bedroom, shared bath, and bedroom number 3, which currently serves as a home office. Sleepy Hollow community is just minutes from Pemberton Park, shopping and restaurants in Salisbury. This home's going to sell quickly. Call myself to arrange your private tour.